Hello, the purpose of this video is for our kindergarten and first grade students that are sitting at the green square table and the yellow star table to have an understanding of how they will safely enter and exit the cafeteria. To begin, they're going to come in the back entrance and then they are going to go fill the tables with their classmates, and they're going to sit down and wait for further instruction from their lunchroom supervisors. The yellow star students are going to come down into the cafeteria into the back here, and they are going to, again, fill in the tables and sit at the number and letter spots at the table. At the end of lunch, when it is red cup and we've signaled to the students that it's time to get up, we are going to follow the instruction. We are going to have rows proceed to the exit individually, row by row. Watch for the adult's instruction. The star table is going to do the same thing, just follow row by row, and we will proceed to the commons area where your teacher will be picking you up. Thank you again for watching the video.